StudyMode.com.
Now we are going to do the problems based on the angles and their values. So the question is, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree, and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Determine the lengths of sides. Determine the lengths of sides BC and AC. This is the question. Now, the figure is ABC is a triangle right angled at B. A, B, C right angled at B. So, this is the hypotenuse. And angle ACB, it is given to be 30 degree. ACB means this angle is 30 degree. So, this is the opposite side of 30 degree, opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. Now, the length of AB is given to be 5 centimeter. That means the length of the opposite side AB is equal to 5 centimeter. So, AB is equal to 5 centimeter. It is given. And angle C is equal to 30 degree. Now, first of all, we are going to find out the length of AC, means hypotenuse. The length of opposite side is known, and we have to find out the length of the hypotenuse. Do remember the formula. When opposite side and hypotenuse is coming, opposite side by hypotenuse. Remember the relation. Opposite side by hypotenuse is sine of the angle. Sine of the angle 30 degree. That means sine 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse means AB by AC. Now we are writing sine 30. Sine 30 is equal to opposite side AB by hypotenuse AC. Remember the value of sine 30. The value of sine 30 we have to study. We have to by heart the value, because the value of sine 30 they will not give the values in the board exam question paper. The values will not be given. So we have to by heart and study the value. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. And the value of AB is known. AB is equal to 5 centimeter and divided by AC. 1 by 2 is equal to 5 divided by AC. So, cross multiplying 1 into AC is AC itself is equal to 2 into 5. That means AC is equal to 10 centimeter. The value of AC is obtained. Now, we want to find the value of BC also. BC means adjacent side of the angle 30 degree. Adjacent side, here opposite side is known, and we have to find out the adjacent side. So remember the ratio opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side is tan of the angle 30 degree. So we are taking tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side AB by BC. AB by BC. Remember the value of tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to, the value of AB is 5 centimeters. So 5 divided by BC. Cross multiplying 1 into BC is BC itself. BC is equal to 5 into root 3 is 5 root 3 centimeter. So AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Our result is AC is equal to 10 centimeter and BC is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay. Now we must study the values of all the important angles. That means 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. The values they will not give in the question paper. So remember the ratios also. Opposite side by hypotenuse it is sine, and opposite side by adjacent side is tan. We are required these two ratios for solving this problem. Okay.